Hello everybody, this is a tutorial on how to use my readme generator with Node.js, and this is the sample readme which I used in my benefit to display how to use this and the table of contents. It'll be like almost the exact, very similar when you generate this readme, because it's made for lazy people like me who just don't want to type this all out, so I just type it one time and then answer some questions, and then it'll generate a readme similar to this. So let's get started. So you go here, you go to this GitHub page or repository, you go to here, code, copy the HTTPS, and then make a folder here, and then open git bash here, and then clone, paste, created the repository here, exact clone of it. So what do you need to do here? Open, go into the file and go to the git bash list, see readme. So go inside the folder repository. Now you see main. Now if we do node index.js, obviously it's not going to work because we don't have the modules because of inquiry. Inquiry is not built into Node. We have to install. It's not built into Node right now because I require inquiry, and other one's file system. File system is already built into Node.js, but inquiry is not, so that's why I have to install it. So how to do that is npm init and then -y. It's just to answer those questions for the sake of the video, so I don't have to create the title, I don't have to create anything, it'll just automatically do it for me when I do -y. Alright, created it for me, and then now npm install inquiry. So I'm installing the latest one. Some people like to use the 8.2.4 one, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to use the latest one. Alright, installed it, and as you can see, the Node modules is installed in this folder, and now I can do node index.js. So enter project title. Alright, so before I answer all these questions, there's a readme in here right now, which is my readme. But once you're done answering all these questions, it'll overwrite this readme, and then you can use it as your own. So title, description, project installation, install, usage, using, like what do you use it for, and then contributions, who made it, and then test instructions, like how do you use it, use the application, do this, and then what type of license do you want? I want the MIT, ISC, unlicensed, pick the unlicensed one because it doesn't really matter. And then your GitHub username URL. Yeah, just copy and paste that into whatever your GitHub portfolio is. So URL and project email, enter your email in here. Alright, now I created a readme, so if I go check this now, open Visual Studio, then Markdown Preview. There you go, table of contents, description, install, use, JSON, running application, do this, unlicensed, and it has the badge right here. And then the questions, you can probably delete this if you want to customize it. It does most of the work for you already, but if you want to add more to it without the hassle of making the outline in the first place, you can just delete this and then put your own context in there. But yeah, that's about it, and that's how you use my readme generator for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.